In today's class, we are looking into topic, firm and industry.
A firm is an independently administered business unit capable of carrying out production, construction, or distribution activities.
A firm may be small or large depending on capital outlay and the level of production.
An industry is defined as the combination of two or more firms coming together to produce broadly similar commodities with the motive of maximizing profits. A plant is defined as an establishment for the production of goods and services. It includes the factory building with the large machinery installed in the factory building and the team of workers employed for production processes. Factors that determine the size of a firm. The size of a firm at any moment can be explained by the nature of the constraints facing and limiting the rate at which it can grow and expand.
These constraints are outlined as thus. Financial constraint: inadequate funds affect the size of a firm.
Nature of business: some businesses, going by their nature, cannot be expanded in size. Marketing constraint: the extent of demand for the products determines the size of a firm. Managerial constraint: difficulties in effective management of the business can affect its size.
Risk-bearing constraint: ability to face the risk challenges involved in the business by the owner can affect the size of a firm.
Labor factor constraint: the availability of labor determines the size of a firm.
Technical constraint: lack of technical knowledge required can affect the size of a firm.
Concepts of total, average, and marginal products. Total productivity, TP, this refers to the overall quantity of a commodity derived from a given quantity of productive resources. Average productivity or output, AP, this is the output per unit of the variable factor employed.
This is derived by dividing the total output by the number of men or capital employed. Mathematically, it is represented as average output equals
total product or variable factor, number of men.
Marginal productivity, MP, this is the addition to total product brought about by the employment of an additional unit of the variable factor.
It is derived mathematically as MP equals change in TP or change in variable factor.